Great. Sabi ko sa inyo, uwi tayo agad. One of Riza's clients, Andrea, a 17-year-old primigravida on her 5th month of pregnancy. When she learned that Andrea and her husband are currently living with Andrea's parents and siblings, Riza thought that Andrea needs a family-centered approach to care. All of the following describe family health conditions or problems related with this situation exist. So, the family health nursing condition are characterized by the following exist. Answer. Statements of families' failure to perform family health tasks, health deficits, health threats, and foreseeable crises or stress points the family have addressed by developing the family to cope with health problems using motivation and support are assessed using a typology. Sagutin natin kasi mamaya mag-lecture na si Sir Dennis. Alin dyan ang hindi nyo maa-associate sa family health nursing problem kasi hindi siya family under sa category ng family health nursing problem or condition? Delta are assessed. Ay sus, ano ba yan? Sorry po. Ayaw na. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi ba yung family health nursing problems ina-assess using a typology? So, hindi siya. Sagot? Ano? A? At yung family health nursing problem compared to any other type of problem? A ang sagot? O ano ba naman ito? Bakit A ang sagot?